Dear students, today study about the class 11 subject biology part 2 chapter first living world. Dear students, first topic guidelines for nomenclature, rules of nomenclature according to ICBN, ICJN. It is the common point of IUCN, International Code of Botanical Conservation of Natural Resources, rules of nomenclature according to by plants or animals. Dear students, first point ICBN for plants. It is the extended form of ICBN, International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. And next second point is ICJN for animals, International Code for Zoological Nomenclature. Dear students, next topic is hierarchy, taxonomic hierarchy. It is the framework in which the taxonomic group taxa are arranged in definite order from higher to lower categories. Dear students, it is a taxonomic group like taxa, kingdom, phylum. Dear students, phylum for animals and division for plants. Order, class, order, family, genus, species. It is a lower category and it is a higher category. Taxonomic hierarchy level are arranged and defined from higher to lower category. Higher to lower categories arrange the taxonomic group. It is known as this process is known as the taxonomic hierarchy. It is a increasing order. It is a decreasing order. Dear students, next taxonomic categories like species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. These are the taxonomic categories. The category is a part of overall taxonomic arrangement. It is called taxonomic category. Overall taxonomic arrangement category. Overall taxonomically arrangement is known as taxonomic category. Next topic is, dear students, classification. It is nearly impossible to study of all living organisms, but classification makes possible the scientific study of such a wide variety of organisms. It is known as classification. It is a very simplest form for study the all other animals or plants. Dear students, taxa. Taxa means organisms are grouped into categories. Group organism completely study in the group is known as taxa and it is a plural form of taxon. Taxon का plural होगा taxon. Taxon का singular होगा taxa. Okay. Dear students, next study about the taxonomic aids. All the collection of actual live specimen are preserved specimen which help in the identification, verification of a species called taxonomic aids. Some of them are given below like herbarium, botanical garden, museum, zoological parks and key. Dear students, first points herbarium. Herbarium is a defined collection of plants that have been dried, pressed and preserved on seed. And the seeds are arranged according to a universally accepted system of classification. The herbarium seeds also carry a label providing information about date and place of collection, English local and botanical name, family and collector's name, which collect the plants. It is known as collector's name and place of the collection where these plants are collect from the place for herbarium. And dear students, uh, some questions for you. First question, describe binomial nomenclature with an example on copy. Binomial nomenclature with example describe on copy. Second question, write the classification of mango, man, wheat, housefly and learn it. Also learn the classification of the mango man wheat housefly. Thank you.